With an intention to provide driving assistance to the public, Donboklang Dohling, the proprietor and chief of operations of a first-of-its-kind Facilitator service, had made an official announcement of its operations within the city of Shillong. Cabinet Minister L Hek had launched the service entitled Designated Driver Shillong at a press conference held on the 8th of September 2023 at the Shillong Press Club. Through this particular service, the general public across Shillong City would be able to call for emergency 24/7 assistance from trained professional drivers.
This is the first of its kind here in Shillong at least. I don't know about other places beyond Shillong, but here in Shillong is the first of its kind. I provide drivers. I'm not an aggregator. I am just a service provider, a facilitator, you can say. I provide drivers for people who have an urgent need of a standing driver. Like I can cite a few examples. Like someone leaves home in a car, goes for shopping, goes to maybe bazaar, parks the car, goes to shopping, and takes a fall, burns the leg, and can't continue to drive. So what would he do in that event? Call some friends, call some relatives who would be free to come over and help out. That would take a little time, and maybe someone who might be free might not be a professional driver. So I am the option. Give me a call, I will send a driver, a professional, vetted driver, and may I add that I have spoken with the SP in these cascades, and he has consented in spirit that all my drivers, including myself also, would be verified by the police. That is, we'll be undergoing the process of police verification. So whoever wants to use, whoever needs to use our service can do so, knowing fully well that all of us will be vetted by the police.
It's a big industry. Everybody are looking for any kind of services. If we talk about this kind of services, the driver, we have seen that we are facing a lot of congestions in Shillong, and we have no parking space, number one. Those are the self-driving individual driver. If they go with a family, when they go with the friends, when they will park the vehicle, because there is no specific identified parking space in around the city. It's a very, very difficult, but this idea, I'm telling you, is going to help tremendously, is going to help to everyone. This kind of services. It's a unique idea, I'd like to tell you. Today, if we talk about, for example, so many people are going out for the party, they are going out for dinner, they are going out for anniversary, they are going out for birthday, so many, and so on and so forth. Many they want to go without driving their own vehicle, because we don't know the night when they are coming back. There's so many traffic on the way. So they want to be free. If they have this kind of facilities, this kind of services, they just call. But unfortunately, I do not see any free call numbers where they can call you by Donbok.
Yeah, there is a number. Specific.
Yeah, to give, right? Because launching today, we have to see also that today only we are launching this very, very designated driver, Shillong, very innovative scheme